morning, dear children. I hope you all are taking good care of your health. Dear children, today we will be starting our new lesson, and that is lesson number 17, communication. And today we will be learning about its introduction and postal services. Dear children, do you know what is communication? Communication means exchange of our thoughts and ideas, okay? And it is always communicated with one to others. हम खुद से communicate कभी भी नहीं करते. हम अपने ideas and जो हमारे thoughts हैं वो दूसरों के साथ communicate करते हैं. So communication is a two-way process, okay? And now we will learn about it. So dear children, listen everything very carefully and we will learn about it, okay? Our lesson number 17, communication.
Chapter number 17, communication. We regularly exchange messages with our friends and loved ones. This process of sending and receiving messages is called communication.
Dear children, the exchange of messages is known as communication. We exchange our messages with our family, friends, relatives, right? With our teachers and with each and everyone. हम जब किसी से अपने words exchange करते हैं, अपने ideas, अपने thoughts and messages, this process is known as communication. Clear? Let's move further.
In ancient times, pigeons or men on foot delivered letters or messages to people living in distant places. Nowadays, we have postal system, courier service, telephone, internet, mobile phones and means of mass communication to connect both nationally and internationally. Postal service. The postal service is the most important means of communication in the country.
Dear children, postal services means what? Sending and receiving letters, right? आज के टाइम पे we have email facility, WhatsApp facility, internet facilities, various such advanced facilities. But if we need to send a hard copy to anyone, we need postal services, right? So postal services are now very important mode of communication. वो पहले भी बहुत important थे, वो आज भी बहुत important हैं, okay? It is known as one of the main sources of communication. Let's move further.
With the help of this service, we can send cards, letters and important documents to any part of the country. The postal service is the most popular way to send and receive messages. How do our letters reach from village to city, from one state to another, and from one country to another? They are carried by buses, trains, aeroplanes, and even ships. It usually takes 2 to 4 days for a letter to reach its desired destination if it is within the country.
Dear children, very important how the letters are going from one place to another. They go from the ways such as buses, then airplanes. You need to tick this point in your textbook as well, okay? This is one of the main important points of our postal services, okay? These are the modes like from where the letters are sent and received. Let us move further.
If a message is urgent, then we can send a telegram. A post office also has option of speed posts to receive or send urgent letters or documents in just 2 to 3 days.
Dear children, mark this point as well. If anything is urgent which is to be sent very quickly, then the facility of telegram as well as speed post is also available in the postal services. अगर हमें urgency नहीं है तो हम normal post से भेज सकते हैं, but when it is very urgent तब हम टेलीग्राम या फिर स्पीड पोस्ट जैसा मोड भी यूज कर सकते हैं इन दी पोस्टल सर्विसेज. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी.
Telephone service.
Dear children, today we learned about the introduction as well as the postal services. Okay, I hope you all are clear up till here. In the next class, we will surely learn about telephone services. Fine. Till then, go through the introduction as well as the postal services. Okay, these are the main topics and you need to keep them and learn by heart. Okay, now we will see that what we have for our work from home. Dear children, in your textbook on the very first page of your lesson, that is page number 103, you have the small activity. See over here, different pictures are given, right? It is in your textbook on page number 103 and a help box is also given. Now what you need to do, look at the image, identify it, and with the help box you will be writing the correct word of the picture. Okay, for example, this particular image is of a stamp. So you will write with the help of the help box, you will be writing stamp over here. Similarly, you will be looking at all these pictures and you will name them by identify that what exactly these images are. See the help box. Envelope, postcard, post office, postman, in length letter and stamp. So with the help of this help box, you will be identifying the image and you will write the names. Fine. I will see you next time with the next topic of this lesson. As and when you are done with this particular work from home, do send me a photo shot so that I can check it and I can correct you if you have done any mistake. Okay? Bye dear children. God bless you.